So this is Jack and Zara in their cat enclosure. Hi, Jack. Hey, Jack. You happy? Oh. When I came home, Jack was so happy to see me. He tried to jump through the net and got his little claws stuck down here in the twisted part. Hi, Jack. Hey, Jack, Jack. Okay, let's go in. Oh. Wait, just wait, just wait. Jack's very excited. Just wait. Uh-oh. Good boy. Jack, Jack. Jack, come here. Come on. Good boy. Oh, coming right down. Jack, you're too close. Jack, Jack. Come on, up. Good boy. Okay. Where's Zara? Zara was outside, but now she's inside. Oh, hi, kitty. Ooh. Okay, say bye. Bye.